Hey, my friends, what's going on? How you doing? How you feeling? Cater here on a beautiful day, going for my morning run. What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? How you feeling today? What's up with you? How you feeling? So, before I go to my morning run here, like to come here, make a quick video, talk to you. How's your day? How things are going for you right now? So, let's talk about expanding your circle. How that is so powerful if you want to grow to the next level. Now, if you're someone that's building a business, I'm talking about business. If you're someone that's building a business, or that can even be applied in other areas of your life, that you have circles that you regard people at high expectations for. What's going to happen if you're building a business and you start reaching 6 or 7 figures in your business? What's going to happen? You either going to become the smartest person in your circle, your current circle. That could be your family, friends, people that you know around. You either become the smartest person with the circle because you have the results that most people probably dreamed of or want to. So what happened then? When you become the smartest person in your circle, you stop growing because your circle, now you outgrown your circle. So that happens to one of my friends, and he hit me up. It's like, yo, dude, like I can't even have conversation with my friends anymore, my family member. They're not really trying to understand my vision or where I'm trying to go. It's not making any sense to them. And I was trying to explain to him, well, it's because you get into the point where you are growing your circle. So when you get to that level, you have to expand your circle because you become the smartest person in the room. And it's a dangerous position to be in because sometimes you get to that level where you feel like, oh, I'm the man. Like I'm making more money than my man. I'm making more money than my friend. I'm making more money than my family. And sometimes what ended up happening, you end up using your circle as your measuring stick. So your circle become your measuring stick. So you think like, oh man, I made it. Like I'm good. Like I don't even need to grow. But what you're gonna realize, if you really wanna grow, you're gonna have to expand your circle, meaning that you have to go higher up. I have a strategy. Well, I call it a strategy, kind of a plan that I work by. It's a method, right? We're gonna call it the 30-30-40 method. 30-30-40 method that I utilize when it comes to growing, right? So the 30-30-40 method goes like this. You wanna spend 30% of your time with people that you can help, that are below your level. And those are people you can pour into, you can give advice to, you can help them. When you're among them, you feel great, they listen to you, you're the loudest person in the room, you're the smartest person in the room, and those people, you can impact their lives, right? Because we want to have impact into our lives. So those are your people, 30% of the time you want to hang with. The next 30% of the time, those people, they are people that are on the same level as you. So 30-30. 30% of the time you want to hang with people that are below your level, that you can inspire, you can help them grow. 30% of your time you want to actually spend it with people that are on the same levels as you. Those are people that have the same dreams, that have the same goals, that's in the same place, that have the same direction, they have the same vision as you, they pushing as much. They're gonna encourage you on the way. You guys can share notes, you guys can share ideas, you guys can develop, grow to the next level together because you have the same vision, you have the same passion, you have the same intention. So you pushing to the next level. And the 40% is the biggest part, right? 40%. So you have 30-30-40. The 30-30-40 rule. 40% of the time you want to spend it with people who are on a way higher level than you. When you get around them, you have to shut your mouth. Like when you thought your results was like, oh my God, like when you get around them, it was like this. When you get around them, it's like, oh, smoke, it's nothing. They 10x, 100x past me long time ago. I need to shut my mouth and listen to what those people are doing and how can I implement the stuff they are doing. You want to spend 40% of your time around those people so that you can acquire new knowledge. Because in order for you to make new changes, something else has to come into your life and create new knowledge, which create new intention, which opens your mind to something totally different, something else. So you want to spend 40% of your time around those people that's gonna push you to grow to the next level. So that's why I said, if you want to grow, you want to change your circle. right? If you outgrown your circle, you want to change it, get to a new circle that can push you and get yourself to the next level. All right, but anyway, I'm gonna go for my full run now, but just wanted to share this stuff with you. Hopefully it's making sense to you. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Tag somebody into it that's looking to grow, that's looking to get to the next level. Tag them into it and share this video with them. It will inspire them. That was your boy Casey. Appreciate you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go for a run. Take care of your health, because without you, you know, none of the stuff, your business don't matter without you. Whatever else, you know, you gotta take care of yourself. That's how health comes first. Without you, the car cannot go anywhere. Without you, there's nobody to live in the house. Without you, nothing else matters. So take care of yourself. It's your boy Casey. Let's make it happen. I'll see you later. Bye.